Good morning, crypto, and welcome back to our channel. I'd like to say that it was a very nice way to wake up this morning with this trade that we had set up yesterday. If you're part of our Discord channel, you have had the possibility to do this trade with us. Last night I took profits at this level, which was a little bit early, I guess, because we can see that the price rose a little bit better and higher after that, of course, but that's only good for my holding position, of course. So no worries about that, and there's nothing wrong with taking profits somewhat earlier than the target is. So basically I want to show you what's next, and I also want to show you what I saw just this morning, and that is this parallel channel pattern right here, which started way earlier on, somewhere in the beginning of this month, March, where you can see that we ranged between this support and resistance for almost well, exactly 16, 17 days. So this is a pattern what normally is a bearish pattern, because a channel going up like this most of the time will break down and then get back to the line where it all started, which is here. So but that didn't happen. So what's next for the Bitcoin price? What I see is that the RSI is still a little bit oversold. We can also see that the MACD is turning down, and the histogram also is probably having a bearish crossover on the 1 hour for at least. So basically what I'm considering right now is that the price will drop down to this level and bounce back after that and go like this, somewhat like this, or that we see this and quite possibly retest this green box of support, which was resistance in the previous year, and then go back after that. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin in the imminent short term, which is I see a retracement towards this level, or towards the green box, and show it as support. Then the RSI and the MACD can cool off as well, because we had a pretty significant price rise, which is obviously very good. What we can see with Ethereum is that we've most likely will see that we will break down here as well. You can see here the MACD is also losing some momentum and the RSI is not that oversold, but it is even more oversold than Bitcoin right now. It's at 81. So this is the most likely scenario I can see for Bitcoin, for Ethereum and Bitcoin, because most likely we will see something like this, and then this turning into support, or we will see something like this and then hit this support level and then bounce up after that. So basically I'm very happy that we closed the very important level on the Bitcoin price of 45,000. So this range, and we will most likely see that as support right now, and then continue the bull trend. So also on the daily, you can see we can I'll show the charts to you. You can see that in the daily we broke out of this wedge or a triangle that we horizontal triangle that we have had for spoken about in our videos for a long time as well, and we still, like you can see, have some room left to grow. And let me show you the weekly charts, because that's where we saw some pretty significant things as well. Let me pull this over here, and we saw, yeah, a pretty nice W pattern with the neckline broken. This is the double bottom, the W pattern with the neckline right here, and you can see we broke that as well. So that pattern would lead us to a price rise having confluence with the earlier from the daily, I guess. So yeah, basically that's for the imminent short term. I can see that we probably most likely will drop down a little bit and retrace, let the RSI and the MACD cool off a bit, but in the longer haul and the longer term holdings, I'm very confident that we'll yeah, basically go towards the top of this channel, which also would mean a new all-time high for us as well. And then we're probably in discovery mode after that. So yeah, I'm very excited for the coming weeks and days, and I'll keep the Discord channel open and let you know about any possible trades that we're gonna make. So, well, that's about it for today. Thanks for your attention. I really appreciate the support I get in messages, and I hope you like that we set up this channel and inform you about what's going on, of course. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and and consider subscribing to our channel to not miss a video. And then we'll talk to you next time. Thank you. Bye.